So we're at the Food Truck Festival in Goodyear, Arizona. This place is super packed. Check out all these cars they have here. So they also have a music festival here, and that's kind of what's drawing all the crowd. And there is so many people here. Comment below what you guys think is your favorite food truck, and we'll try that. We're gonna show you next on what we choose. But for now, here's the music festival.
Here tonight, so we appreciate you guys.
So I don't know if you guys can tell, but each one of these lines is for a different food truck. So since the one we want, which I'm not gonna tell you yet, is super long, we're gonna stand in the line that has the beer, so that we can wait in the other line for the food. So stay tuned. One, two, three, four, and a clear thumb, what?
Show me what you got. What you got?
Hold on. Let me see. Hold on.
Oh shit. Oh, I probably shouldn't have cussed.
Do it again. No, we're taking a video. Hey, so you saw that we picked our favorite food truck. I have been waiting months to try the food lobster sandwiches, and we finally got a chance to try them. I love them. They're delicious. I recommend them. They've actually have been on, what did you say they were on? NBC?
Yeah, NBC, Shark Tank, and something else. But they've been on a lot of shit.
So they have had more publicity than I thought, but their images of their food look so good. I've been waiting to try them.
Yep.
So I'm finally glad we did, and definitely recommend it to you guys. If you guys are in the Phoenix area, come out to these. Also, this includes our video for the food truck festival. This one was in Goodyear, Arizona. The ones we have been to personally have been at Pioneer Park, which is in Peoria. But if you are in the Arizona area, come out and try them. Also, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube video. I greatly appreciate it, and we'll definitely be updating you guys on more videos.